How to test if a string contains one of the substrings in a list, in Pandas. Is there any function that would be the equivalent of a combination of df.isin and df.col.str.contains? For example, say I have the series s equals pd.series, cat, hat, dog, fog, pet, and I want to find all places where s contains any of og, at. I would want to get everything but pet. I have a solution, but it's rather inelegant. Is there a better way to do this?
One option is just to use the regex character to try to match each of the substrings in the words in your series S, still using str.contains. You can construct the regex by joining the words in search for with. As at Hayden noted in the comments below, take care if your substrings have special characters, such as $ and caret, which you want to match literally. These characters have specific meanings in the context of regular expressions, and will affect the matching. You can make your list of substrings safer by escaping non-alphanumeric characters with re.escape. The strings within this new list will match each character literally when used with str.contains.
You can use str.contains alone with a regex pattern using or you could add the series to a data frame then use str.contains. Output.
Here is a one-line lambda that also works. Input. Apply lambda. Output.
Had the same issue. Without making it too complex, you can add in between each entry, like fieldname.str.contains, cat dog, works.
Punch.